my crooked eyes. Tell me what's fine. Look in the white of my eyes when you're spilling your lies. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about white in my eyes when you're spilling your lies. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about. Trapped in my head, run from infinite thought. When I was young, I would run for the cops. Fearing it's death, I just run from the loss. Dumb side, my corrupted mind. Search every corner where the demons hide. I don't even know what you're trying to find, what you're trying to find. This fucked up life of mine. I don't know, like a landmine. I go down to my damn mind. Every single day I'm sky high. Look in the white of my eyes when you're spilling your lies. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about white in my eyes when you're spilling your lies. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about money. I wanna talk about. It's fine. I'm high. I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about white in my eyes when you're spilling your. I'm high. I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about. I don't know why I tried. You always run away. I don't know why I fight for this and shit never works out. I don't know why you lie. You always run away. I don't know why I fight for this when shit never works out. Yeah, it never works out. You and your head in the clouds. I lost your face in the crowd. I've been sick to my stomach from circles in my head. The doctor gave me pills, that shit just leave me brain dead. I'm barely scraping by this month, hanging on by a thread. I'm lucky if I pay my rent. I tend to get too high, smoke my whole life away. I spend my days and nights alone, numb, detached from it all. I don't know why you cry, you throw it all away. I don't know why I fall for this again, it never works out. With you it never works out. You had your head in the clouds. You're too obsessed with yourself. Too obsessed with yourself. You say I'm not enough. I say I'm not giving up, no. I'm working out the details, but my tears won't let me. Small fears with little jumps. So sick of stupid love. Things you said to me that night cut deeper than you.
Thinking of all the sad things, wondering why I can't breathe. I'm not feeling it today. I'm not feeling it today. Lost my mind and I can't escape the maze. Can't restart cause you're getting in the way. I'm not feeling it today.
What's up, everybody? Happy Friday and happy holidays. Yeah, happy holidays. Sorry, I've been busy the last couple days. I had to deal with some very odd personal stuff that actually has nothing to do with me. But anyways, personal stuff that doesn't have anything to do with me. Just a really weird situation. Probably talk about it in Discord, so I'm not wasting anybody's time. Just going to do a quick kind of recap analysis as we kind of close out this week. Also, thanks to Coincatch for being a sponsor this last month. I still believe they're running their holiday special. Yeah, it goes until the end of December. I know there's only a couple days left, but you still get 15% off fees for life. They run promotions all the time, so when they have them, I'll definitely let you guys know. What's up, Anchor? What's up, Daniel? What's up, Yasser? Yes, sir. Nuno, what's up? What's up, Matt? Yeah, fuck it. I'll just tell you guys what happened. Because I know people are like, whoa, what did happen? Some guy pulled a gun on me at the dog park yesterday, and I've been dealing with police for like the last 48 hours. Not yesterday, 2 days ago. And I literally streamed and then took my dogs to the dog park. And you guys know I have a huge Rottweiler, and then I have the puppy. And this guy just like, I don't know what his deal was. He's the craziest guy I've ever seen. And anyways, I've been dealing with police. He's probably going to be charged with a felony, and he'll never be able to own a firearm again. And I don't have a problem with firearms. I own a lot of them, but it's a dog park. Why are you threatening to shoot people at a dog park for, like, it's just so odd. Like, my dog didn't do anything. My dog actually got attacked by another dog, and this random guy said he was going to shoot my dog and then shoot me for saying, you're not going to shoot my dog. It was crazy shit. Anyways, getting into it. Yeah. It's like I'm apologizing to patrons too. At the end of this, I was writing it out in Discord, but I had to start the live stream. I haven't been able to like post analysis. I've literally been dealing with this. It's such a pain in the ass, dude. It's like Christmas is what is it, like 2 or 3 days away? We got people that are acting a fool still. It's just wild. So my Christmas present to this guy is enjoy your felony charge. Enjoy never owning a firearm ever again. So enjoy that. Anyways, moving on. Damn, that's a black swan. Dude, the biggest black swan event. Just so random at the dog park. Like, I go to the dog park like 2 or 3 times a week. A lot of people know who I am. I'm the Rottweiler guy. So everyone, I talk to people. My dog plays with other people. My dog plays with other dogs, or my dogs now, I guess. And no one's ever had a problem with me. So very odd. But anyways, let's get into it. SPX. So I'm going to say it right now. There's probably going to be no action for the next week or two. It's Christmas, New Year's, it's the holiday break. A lot of financial companies just nothing happens for the next 2 weeks. So all these institutions and all their institutional buys aren't going to happen. So you're probably going to see and I'm just going to like a 4 hour, you're probably going to see the market just do this. Like, it's going to be boring. And I'm kind of saying out loud, and I know you guys are expecting this, go enjoy your holiday. You're not going to miss anything. Like, I'm telling you, this happens every year. And you might say like, oh, but people are still working between Christmas and New Year's. Like, yes, but there's a lot of people that take PTO or are finishing, or like finalizing their PTO, right? Because people save it up. Maybe they take a long vacation between Christmas and New Year's. So there's really not a lot that happens in between Christmas and New Year's, even like now, because we're starting the weekend. So again, my biggest tip for you guys, enjoy these 2 weeks off, right? Come the new year, probably big move going to happen. Everyone's going to get back in. Everyone's going to be antsy. They're going to, be refreshed. So we'll likely get that big move. But before then, just enjoy your time off, whether it be family, friends, whatever. Enjoy your time off. Just glad you and your dog are okay. Yeah, I'm always going to be fine. Like, guy was crazy. Like, I walked away from it, and I was like, man, should I call the police? Like, is this? And I was like, yeah, probably should. Bitcoin needs to break 45K today because Christmas very low on volume. Yeah, but you could say the same for selling. Been in the crypto world for almost 4 years. You are the only analyst that needs to follow. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Would have been heartbreaking before Christmas break. Man, it's going to take a lot more than one bullet to take me down. Yeah, it's just crazy. And you know what the worst part is? Like, I'm supposed to go out to dinner after this, and now I'm expecting a phone call from the fucking chief of police about, like, what I want to do against this guy. Because essentially, like, for those of you that are American, like, you have the choice to press charges. And they might not even give me that choice because it's like a public round. So they might just act on their own accord. But I still have like the option to say, hey, yeah, I want this guy, like, I want charges pressed. So, or normally I'm the person that's like, people make mistakes, whatever. It's heat of the moment, whatever. But I don't know, man. Pulling a gun out on people that aren't armed in a dog park where it's supposed to be happy fun time, like, it's just kind of weird. But anyways, SPX approaching all-time highs. We'll see what happens. I mean, we could still get that bull flag, still could pull back. Not really. I mean, again, for the next 2 weeks, we're probably not going to see much. So probably good to get that consolidation. Let's see like RSI and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, would be nice to get a little consolidation. Maybe something like that would be nice. Might argue there's bearish divergences. I don't know. There's just too much time in between. So I wouldn't consider, and they aren't bearish divergences until this resistance rejects anyway. So could do a lot, right? Could do a lot. The XY would like to see 100 break. Currently in support. Could get like a bear flag in between. Could consolidate again in the next 2 weeks. Probably nothing's going to happen, so that consolidation is going to be good. But it's hard to give like confirmative analysis when not much has happened this week. We're just at support. Other dominance. This is interesting. This is actually leaving support or starting to fall out of support. A close this week would be beautiful. I'd like to see a bear flag. I'd like to see this scenario so we can continue lower. Ultimately, we need to see this week close. This week close isn't until Sunday. Yeah, I mean you're absolutely right, Jason. But I'm also I do carry in my truck. I don't carry on my personal, like unless I'm in a situation where I need to take my gun and put it in my. And where I live, you can carry without a license. So in my state, so do I carry? Yes, but no. Like guns in my truck. It's locked. I don't want to ever have to use it. Like that's my thing. But anyways, onward to the Bitcoin. I think we're still ranging. I still think we're doing something like this, much larger range. However, on the daily, our Bollinger Bands are starting to come back to normal. I did post this scenario where we put in a slightly higher high. Again, guys, couple things. If we do that, don't jump the gun. Look at your chart before you buy. Right? Always look at the chart. We're going into Christmas. We're going into New Year. Volume's going to remain pretty flat unless we break 45K with volume that looks like this. It's going to be a fake out, right? We're going to test that upper band. Also, guys, we'll have huge bearish divergences here. This will prop up, likely come down. Volume's already going down as is. So if we want to see this continue like in a macro grand scale, right? We need to see this happen, right? We need to see this. We need to see a long period of consolidation. For those of you that doubt that, I mean, look, we had an 80% move to the upside. We need to see more consolidation. I know we had some here, but it's not enough, right? We need to see a larger range form. We need to see, health get back into the market. There's still these triple divergences here. I know Peter Brandt talked about it. I've talked about it as well. Volume is still going down from point A all the way to point B up here. So lots of exhaustive tendency on the chart already. We need to consolidate to get rid of all of that. So I wouldn't say if you're smart, but if you want to take a break from trading, now's your chance, right? We're going to consolidate. We're not going to do anything. Surely you could, range trade. You could, do all that, scalp, whatever. But personally, guys, with the low volume between Christmas and New Year's, I just go enjoy your time off. What happened to Tau? It went on sale. I mean, I tweeted that. I mean, I left my chart here. Tweeted that this is a likely scenario, right? Like, guys, our daily RSI, and I know RSI is tough to even gauge, but one, we had divergences between these 2 points. Two, our weekly was at level 90, right? 93. This has to come down at some point. Even Matic, when Matic had its big run upwards in 2020, I believe, 2021, I mean, you still had red weeks. You still had periods of consolidation. You know, I'm going to put this in logs so we can read it a little better, get rid of Bollinger Bands. But we still had periods where, you know, you had this kind of downward movement. This is where we peaked. But you're not just going to do, a 44X or whatever right off the rip. You're going to have periods of consolidation. You're going to have pullbacks. You look at RSI on this thing. I mean, we hit 90 here. We consolidated for 6-7 weeks. Brought this back down, ripped back upwards again, and then made that bearish divergence as we made that kind of ascending wedge. Here, breakdown, retest, continuation. So ultimately, guys, with Tau, maybe some of you are, confused. Don't be. This is normal. I tweeted this scenario, 2 weeks ago, a week ago. So if we do get some consolidation, there's nothing wrong with that, right? But take advantage of it. I mean, take advantage of the fact that we're down, what is this like? We're down 32%. Probably decent chance to buy some. I mean, RSI is back to the mean. We're probably going to, bounce like this. Make some more bullish divergence here. We'll probably do this, right? Bullish divergences here between these 2 points, and then full send back upwards like $600, $700, $800. I mean, you also have to look in perspective. Tau has done, what is this, like a 7X? I mean, 7X in what? October to now almost January? I mean, that's 3 months, right? 4 months. 7X. You got to have some cool off. But yeah, guys, I know today was quick. I'm going to leave it there. Nothing on the weekly has really, other than Tether, which I'd like to see this go a little bit lower. There are some bullish divergences here on the daily. On the weekly, there's not a lot. So I'd like to see this close lower. Personally, we could still bounce from this level. But other than that, nothing has really changed. So with all that said, guys, happy holidays. Spend time with your family. My recommendation is stay off the charts for the next week or two. Stay safe. Again, I said already, spend time with your family.